Via esse link depois eu vou conferir se está apoiado. Já vou aqui no som dele.
Depois será que era trouble.
Så video que saca verloren. E faz saúde da vida noites que é sabe por isso força que é por isso e a faz saúde. E que essa por e que era essa fiz. E que ia para sponsor lá tem Eteneki tournament. E faz saúde por ele Mr. Nick Clans.
Testing. Hello, everyone. I don't know why, but I'm like super nervous. First, I want to express my gratitude. Starting off with owing all the honor and glory to God, because without Him, nothing would be possible. I wouldn't be the person that I am today. Second of all, I want to thank the Eteneki crew. Give them a round of applause. I want to thank them for this and for also giving me the opportunity to be able to give back to our community and giving me this opportunity to serve each and every one of our people in our community. Yeah, I feel much more comfortable. I will force me to go ina metwa ko ria will force me na talas. Pure bali ka force to ki wa fe ana wa kabasitu.
Yes, sir.
So I want to give a special thank you to Uncle Seki, One Way, Dane, Max, Keone, Speedy, Ali, Apelu, and also to our referee who traveled all the way from our homeland, our island of Chu. No, we see Namara. Parents, family, friends, and all of you players, give yourselves a round of applause again. I want to thank you guys for your time, your participation, your support, and your sacrifices to be here, because I know that it wasn't easy to get here. But without each and every one of you, today would not be possible. I want to leave you guys with 4 key principles. And hopefully this can also empower you and also inspire you to continue to do what it is that you want to do. If you want to dream big, I want you to dream big. The 4 key principles that has been able to help me. I know that I might not be someone super special, but I'm so proud to be able to represent our beautiful island of Chu, Micronesia, whenever I travel around in the world, to show them that anything is possible. I'm very grateful that I am one of the first in my whole family to be a 6-figure earner and to become super successful in my early 30s and retired. I do not need to work. I travel the world, and that's what I do today. I am I'm a motivational speaker, a financial advisor, but I didn't get to where I am because of myself. The first key principle I want to leave with you guys today, especially to our parents, people who are not here, is to involve. Involve me to involve yourself in your children, your families, lives, their education. What you're doing today is also a definition of involving, or eteneki. Abio eteneki no vi po pasire iga metno no meta struggles stay involved with the game, we also engage. That is the second key principle I want to leave with you guys today. Engaging means to participate, to support. If you don't involve yourselves in your children's lives, you won't be able to engage and to help them, to give them solutions on how to overcome those struggles. And when you do involve and you engage, there will be evolvement. Your children will evolve to become better people, to become more successful people, and just because of that, these three key principles will also result in upgrade. So the first one was involve, second is engage, third is evolve, and the fourth one is upgrade. The more we're more involved in our children's lives, in their daily lives, we will allow our community as a whole to be able to upgrade, or as I define it as superfecta. Because if we were to involve ourselves, look at all the people that are here, all of the team players that are here today. If they weren't here, they would be involved in something else. True?
Facts.
Yes. So with that, I want to close off by empowering you guys, all of our players today, that it's not about winning and it's not about losing, okay? This is an opportunity to learn and to grow, to be able to to participate together, to know each other, to love each other, and to grow together, okay? So, for anyone who don't make it, don't let this stop you from wherever it is that you want to become an athlete. Just because you fail today or you lose today doesn't mean it has to stop today.
Yes.
This is almost like life. In life, you're gonna fail, but you don't let failure determine who you're going to be tomorrow. You learn from it and you grow from it. But most importantly, you always put God first. Let Him be the key to ignite the vehicle that's going to take you to wherever it is that you want to go. Dream big. Thank you so much. And again, good luck.
Thank you, bro.